Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to loop YouTube video on mobile. Why would you want to know how to loop YouTube video on mobile? Well, maybe it is your first time using YouTube and not sure how to loop YouTube video on mobile. So today I am going to show you how to loop YouTube video on mobile. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Looping YouTube video on mobile is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all devices. Let me show how you will loop YouTube video on mobile. First of all, open YouTube app in your mobile phone, and now here is my YouTube app home screen. And then first play any video, and now click on settings icon in the right top corner, and then click on loop video to turn it on. And also for bold loop icon show that the video will be looped unlimited. So there you go. If you were wondering how to loop YouTube video on mobile, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.